Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, we're talking spring branches. They're the first things to come in and be forced. You can have so much fun, and there's so many different varieties. Already at the first of the year, Forsythia is available. Magnolia buds, cherry blossoms, flowering plum, they'll all be here soon. When you want to force them, start with fresh water, flower food. Take the branch, give it a cut at a slant, and then taking your knife, whittle the edges just a bit, and then place it down into the water. Repeating that with as many branches as you have, cutting at a slant, whittling it down, making sure that it can drink well. The magnolia, exact same story. Give it a cut, whittle the ends, and set it down in water. Doing this, literally in a day or two, you can have fabulous blooming branches. You can see the Forsythia, bright yellow, ready to go. Now you know the professional tips. It's your turn. Gather some branches and force them to give springtime a jump start.